Energy is here. No, it's actually hard. It's not in the biceps. Power is actually in your shoulder, all the way back. You see? There we go. Arm trick. Now, if we get bored, no, for their sake, no. If we get bored, we go fast. Tilt up your hips. Believe me, tilt up your hips. You'll be fine. Very good. Don't struggle. Ganda na.
Kaya nga.
You can't kill a boar like that.
Nice.
Shoot a bit lower lang. Okay, it's clumping up. Shoot lower lang. Believe me. Very good. Good. It's getting clumped up again. Nice one.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AJ Blade Reviews. So today we're gonna do an unboxing video. But first, let me show you the box because it came from China. And the box says Alibo. So Alibo, maybe you guys heard of it, but Alibo is known to be one of the most durable builds of bows that you can find online. Here locally, we have a local bamboo bow maker. But I was told I need to get a durable one for my first bow, so here we go. I placed my order March 6 and today is April 29, 26, I guess, I forgot. So I got this teaching job at Alphabet Christian Academy, and I've been teaching guitar and pickleball for some time now. That's why I'm still in my uniform. But yeah, let's proceed on unboxing this video, this bow. So what I'm gonna use is one of my favorite knives. It's an 18-inch forge blacksmith knife, which is Damascus, that came from Balete Blades. So Alibo promised to deliver this bow within like 2 to 4 weeks, but it took like 6 weeks, I guess, before it got delivered. And it also took a bit of time with emailing back and forth because there was an instruction to get the tracking number from them, but they don't reply that fast. Maybe they're having a lot of load right now. So I read that Alibo is very busy right now because they have tons of orders from different countries. So what I ordered is what do you call this? A Turkish bow. This is a fiberglass bow. Also my teacher Miguel, he told me to get this one because this is the bow he is using, and the type of archery he's doing is applied using this. So here we go. First look. So there's some cloth. I see some cloth. The string is here. And here are the arrows. Okay. First, the bow. So it has this cloth. It's wrapped in cloth to protect it. So maybe I will store it this way. Bro, I'm so excited. This is like my birthday gift to myself. Of course, with the approval of my wife. For the first look, here we go. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Wow. Wow, sir. Wow. Okay. It's nice. I don't know what to say. I also forgot the specs I ordered, so Miguel taught me what to order. So, okay, here's the first look. Okay, I need to figure out first how to install the strings. I'm gonna get back at you. Okay, after a bit of YouTube tutorial, finally got it. So, I was told that you need to rest it first before pulling the string. So I'm gonna rest it first. So this is how it looks like. So out of the box, you can see the craftsmanship. So this is a fiberglass bow, and it's got a leather wrap on its I don't know what's this part called, but also here you can see I don't know if this is skin of a shark. So to protect it from to protect the wood from scratches from the arrows. So this is the handle. So I think they were in a hurry when they made this. There's a bit of imperfections in how it was glued, but as long as it serves its purpose, it's not a problem to me. And also it's not that expensive, so why not? As long as it's durable, I can use it for a long time, then it's good for me. So here's another thing. I also noticed a glue dripped over here, but it's fine. It's just cosmetic. I just want to see how it performs. So while this is adjusting to temperature and all the tension, let's look at the arrows. So the arrows, I ordered carbon fiber ones. So the carbon fiber ones are lighter and more durable compared to wood. So they've got a label on it. Warning, please carefully inspect the arrows before shooting. Damaged arrows may cause serious injury if shot. Okay, let's inspect the arrows. So I chose carbon fiber because yeah, it's more durable. It's lighter. It's easier to shoot compared to wood. I have tried shooting wooden arrows before. I really like shooting the carbon fiber ones. So I also chose the wooden pattern on the shaft. So there's an I think this is called Nox. They gave us extra Nox. So here you go. Here are the arrows. Let's take one. So the tips are for target shooting. It's very light. I can feel it. Very light. Okay. It says Alebo. And the fletching is black white. I don't know if this is synthetic. I think it's synthetic. There. So should I shoot it? Should I shoot it now? No, I'm just gonna make a separate video for it. But this is how it looks like. Okay, there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video where I'm gonna try these arrows and shoot some targets. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.